So we're going to do a little van tour. My name is James Fitzgerald with Fitzgerald Toro Floors, based out of Bucks County, PA, suburb of Philadelphia. Quick tour right here. It's going to be drills and batteries. Up here we got battery chargers, pencil sharpener. Over here I got my sanding machines, vacuum, edger paper, screws, dust bags, tarps, belts. Then we got all the nailers down over here, top nailer, edge nailer, 4 staples, 4 cleats. And over here we got the buffer plates, Tampico brush, power drive, multi-disc, some very screens and other stuff in there. Looks like it needs to be filled. Plastic and tape in my drawers. Gloves and dust masks are in there. Miscellaneous drawer. And then some coat and stuff down in here. Over here we got my saw. And then in these drawers, it's like nails, blades, router bits, all kinds of stuff in there. Over here is like junk drawer. We got putty and looks like hot melt. Microwave over there. Some palm sanders. And then my festival tracks go up there. And then over here, you got my battery power stuff, Super 7, small compressor, and then some other miscellaneous stuff up in there. Back here is where I got my machine cords, and then power drive weights. And then this is my trash bag holder that I built, blower, and this is where my little vacuum goes. So when you pull up to the job, plug it in right here. It powers up the van, you get power. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thank you.